Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today in this video we are going to make the Raptor Claw from the 1993 movie Jurassic Park. First step, we are going to use air dried molding clay as our build. And we're going to take a nice piece of clay and we're going to start stretching it out to get started. After we get the shape for our build, we are going to go and cut out the picture of the Raptor Claw to use as our template, to use as a reference for our build. This is going to help us as a guide to make sure our Raptor Claw is the same size. The next thing, we're going to use our carving tools to start cutting out the parts of the clay that we don't need by carving on the outside of the Raptor Claw until it looks like this. Next, we're going to use our carving tool to draw a line like a spine on a blade on the Raptor Claw, and we're also going to make sure that the shape of the Raptor Claw stays like this for 24 hours. After 24 hours have passed, our Raptor Claw is finally solid. So now we can take it outside and take our Dremel Tool 3000 to do our next step. We're going to start by setting our speed to 2 and start taking our Dremel tool and taking off the materials off the Raptor Claw so we can get this into the perfect shape. This will take 3 different Dremel bits for our Dremel tool. The second one will allow us to draw in the detail into our Raptor Claw. And we are going to repeat this process both sides of our Raptor Claw. This third bit will allow us to take off the major part of the Raptor Claw because there's this open gap at the bottom part of the Raptor Claw. The next step to make this into the perfect Raptor Claw, we're going to take a roll of sandpaper and we're going to go throughout the entire Raptor Claw and make everything smooth, make it all nice, making sure all the edges are rounded and not sharp until it looks like this. After we get the Raptor Claw in the shape that we want, the next step and final step is to color it by using black paint. This will take at least a few layers of black paint to get into the color that we want. The more layers of black paint you use, the darker the color will be, and that's exactly what we want. And after working many hours, our Raptor Claw from Jurassic Park is finally complete. Thank you for watching. Be sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a request in the comment section to see what else you would like for me to make.